Bake the perfect coffee date bread with this easy recipe. Hey there, coffee and bread enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful recipe that combines two of our favorite things, coffee and dates. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our mouthwatering coffee date bread. It's the perfect treat to enjoy on a cozy afternoon or during a relaxing coffee date. So, grab your ingredients, and let's get baking. Ingredients: 1 cup pitted dates, chopped. 1 cup brewed coffee, cooled. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, optional. For the coffee glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons brewed coffee. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a loaf pan. In a small bowl, combine the chopped dates and brewed coffee. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to allow the dates to soften and absorb the coffee. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, until well incorporated. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the date mixture. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract and chopped walnuts, if using. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, our scrumptious coffee date bread recipe. We hope you enjoyed baking along with us today. Try this recipe and let us know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes and coffee-inspired delights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy baking! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5. $99 link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.